Hello guys, good morning. It's an unboxing video of ThinkCentre M710q. It's a PC. We are going to unbox it right away. Now I'm unboxing it. I just broke the seal. Now removing it from the box. Here we go. We have a CPU. We have the keys from Amazon. It's an Amazon unboxing review from a personal end. Okay, it's the CPU now. I'm just uncovering it. Again, we having another box. We have something in it. Let me open it. Yeah, we got cables, a mouse, a Wi-Fi antenna seems. Let me see what else we have. And one more cable, power cord, and another thing. Let me see what exactly it is. I believe it should be a adapter. Let me open. Here we go. Yeah, voila. We have an adapter, and you can also see that we also have a keyboard. As due to its dimension, I can imagine that it's a keyboard. Yeah, it's a keyboard. Tada! And again, we have a headphone, which is really great. Jabber. It's an Amazon end. Thanks to Amazon, I do have a scissor. I mean a blade. Now I'm going to install it to the display. Okay, the monitor which I've given a review before. Unboxing, you can say. Now I'm uninstalling it. First we have a cover over there. We have to remove that. Then we have a press button over here to open this end. As soon you open it, you can also see that there is a yellow and some kind of pins are there, and the same pins at the CPU. What exactly we have to do, we just have to match it, and in the same way we have to press it. Let me show you how to do that. So just match those practically, and press it press it press it a bit hard, just to make sure that it's tight and snug. Now what we can do is we can tighten up those bolts. You can see at the bottom and the top, it's we can tighten up with our fingers because it do have grip on it. As you can see, I'm doing it. It's pretty easy. Here we go. Tada, 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 tada. Next we have one more at the top, which is invisible right away. As soon you bend it a bit, you will find it. Then you can tighten up. Make sure it's tight and snug, so it won't move whenever you are using it. It's a really one of the best PC for work from home scenarios. It's a bit hard to reach over there, but still it's working fine. Now it's done because everything is connected. As you know, the system is connected everything, and what exactly we have to do is we just have to supply the power. To supply the power, we have an adapter and a power cord. First we have to connect the power cord and the adapter together, like I'm doing right away. Just press it and it will be done. Then again you have a power cable which looks like a USB in a yellow color, inserted at the back end, which is a power port. Okay, as soon you connect it, just connect it to the wall socket, turn it on, voila, done. And we can also fix it back by closing the lid. And what else we have over here, it's really easy. There is a button over there which is in red color. As soon you press it, it will be open, and whenever you press it back, I mean the lid, it will close up. It's really good to know. And we have a camera and a mic at the top which we can close it and open it. Apart from this, we have multiple USB ports where we can add input devices. Thank you for watching this. Bye.